Hi everyone, this is my first YouTube video tutorial where I'll be doing some Hackerrank questions. So I just thought I might just record myself doing this and hopefully it's interesting for you guys to watch and maybe you learn something out of it as well. So yeah, I clicked on the 1 month preparation kit and I created a new account for this, it's just something random. So yeah, let's just give it a go. And I've not really seen this question before. I might have done a version of this, but yeah, I'm just starting a new account and going to read in front of you and just do the questions. So I don't know if this format works the best for these kind of videos, but I'm just going to give it a try. So let's see. Okay. Given an array of integers, calculate the ratios of its elements that are positive, negative, and zero. Print the decimal value of each fraction on a new line. So since it's a new line, I'm guessing it's just a normal print function in Python. And I need it to be scaled to 6 decimal places. I can use some Python round pack function. Okay, so the first one is the 5 elements, two positive, two negative. Okay. So the first one is the positives and the negatives and the zeros. So two positives, two negatives, and zero. So okay, seems like a pretty simple question. So let's get to it. So I'm going to just I'm not going to read the rest of the question. I'm just going to jump straight into it. I just want to see what's the output that I'm getting first. So yeah, of course it's wrong. So the input is 6 minus. So I'm just getting like an array with 6 items, and they are unordered. They're just 6 things. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to run. I think I'm just gonna do a pass through the entire list and uh, keep count of the negatives, the zeros, and yeah, and yeah, I think if I just keep count of all the negatives, the positives, and the zeros, I can just come up with a fraction like this soon. Yeah. So first thing is I need to know what's the length of it so that I know what's my denominator. So I'm going to just say denom. Oh, okay. Denom is equal to len array, and okay, the next one I'm just going to do a simple print, sorry, not print, for loop. So let's try for I in range, for I in ARR, um, positive, negative, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0. For I in ARR, if I lesser than 0, neg plus equals 1, elif I greater than 0, pos plus equals 1, and else 0 plus equals 1. So after one, this is just going to work in a ON speed because it's just passing through the list once. And with that, I think I'm more or less done already because I just need to print. Okay, I need to print in 3 lines, so I'll just do it manually. So print math, print what? First is positive, so positive over denom. Print negative over denom. Oh, the demon. Okay. Print 0 over denom. And this is not going to be, oh no, what is this? Oh, okay. I think we can just run this now. Let's see. Oh, they're happy with it. I think by right it should be okay. Let me just try submitting the code because I'm thinking there'll be some errors. Oh, okay, guess not. So the reason why I said there might be errors is because here they said it's up till 10 to the power negative false precision. So I don't know if in some cases when you round the values to a certain point, you might get an error. Like for instance, 0.666. Like if you're only looking on up until the sixth decimal place, it might be 0.6666667. Meanwhile, my answer would be just 0.66666 all the way, and it might just end off at a certain point, which is not what we want. So yeah, like for instance, somewhere here, yeah, for some reason they cut it off automatically, but yeah, I should like typically they would expect us to be more thorough with this, but yeah, not complaining. I'll take the win. So yep, that's my code. Let me see if I can make it better in any way, like look neater or something. It's already the fastest that it can be. It's at ON speed, ON time complexity. So yeah, that's it for our first video tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if I can improve in a certain aspect of the video, and I will try to work on it. And yeah, otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.